Talk to me, baby. I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you guys some cleaning motivation. My master bedroom just needed an extreme clean. I really haven't gotten around to cleaning it and dusting it since the new year, and it's definitely something that I needed to do. I had a lot of laundry lying around. I had some Christmas gifts stole, I don't even know what it's doing in there, but I definitely felt like this was the perfect moment to just get motivated and get my master bedroom all fresh and clean, because there's nothing better than going to sleep in a nice fresh dust-free room. So I hope I give you guys the motivation to get up and get going and start cleaning with me. Cleaning my headboard is definitely something that I need to do, especially since it's a fabric. I have a dust sensitivity, so being able to clean all the furniture that is as closest to my head as I sleep is really important. I also got this new mattress cover that I am so happy that I got, because having a mattress cover just really allows you to be able to have your mattress long term, especially since mattresses are so expensive. We always are sweating and shedding skin while we sleep, as well as it could get stained from that time of the month. So I definitely suggest you always using a mattress cover. I used to have a foam insert as well to make your bed even softer, but I have a memory foam mattress that I absolutely love, and it definitely just is something that I want to have long term. Changing sheets is always something that just makes me feel like I clean my room and everything is super fresh. I get the best night's sleep when I change my sheets, and I try to change my sheets once a week, every week. How often do you guys change your sheets and tidy up your bedrooms? Being a pet mama to my dog Lola, I wanted to suggest this Febreze sanitizing spray that I found at Target the other day. I really love how fresh it keeps my bed in between comforter washes, as well as it takes out the wrinkles. So if you mamas have dogs that sleep with you too, I definitely would suggest you trying it out.
There is a moment meant for us, and now you made it, but I already played this. Not interested. Open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow me. Shadowing me, I won. Oh, the sky is on fire. The lake has turned to a golden sun. Oh, I'll never get tired. I just wanna dance, just wanna run.
So I saved the worst for last. I was not looking forward to having to go through all the stuff that was on my vanity and my dresser. My husband's clothes are really out of control. They just like no longer fit in his drawers and barely fit in his closet. I really want to do like a decluttering and organizing video for both of us, because I often feel like I'm the one always getting rid of and donating or selling my clothing, but he doesn't really do that. I usually have to like motivate him and push him to do that. So let me know in the comments if that's something that you would like to see, like both of us going through our clothes and decluttering and cleaning them. It's definitely something that needs to be done, and it's something that I suggest you guys do every 6 months to 12 months, because we often just feel like we have so much stuff and don't realize that like half of the stuff we have we don't even wear or don't even like on us. So I definitely suggest you guys trying that out. So my husband Joe loves getting me tchotchkes or trinkets, whatever you call them. He just loves going to the Hallmark store and getting me little beautiful things like this that I truly do love and appreciate. But I told him that they really gather dust, and as much as I love them, I'm like running out of places to put them. I really want to make my dresser just more minimal, and it's really hard to do when he keeps getting me things, as well as I was always getting him like frames of like best dad and pictures of him and my daughter. So we decided this year that that's something that we no longer will buy, and instead we'll use that money on like experiences or a date night, things like that, that, you know, the memory will last more instead of us like running out of space on where to put these things. Let me know in the comments, do you guys have things like that? Trinkets and tchotchkes is what I call it, that around your house that you're just like running out of places to put. As much as I love my dresser right now, I do want to like get rid of certain things, but it's hard to get rid of like sentimental things like that that you know or like a gift, but I do appreciate it.
You if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. Baby. Baby.
So this box I'm unpacking is actually all my essentials that I use every day. It was a Christmas gift from my mother-in-law. She just decided to put like all these gifts in boxes to be able to give to me, and I just love that idea. She always gives the best gifts, but the reason I've been not taking it out and just leaving it there is because I actually have to like put it away in my bathroom. That's going to be another video coming out, organizing and decluttering of like my bathroom vanity and drawers, that I'll be sharing with you guys soon. How often do you guys clean your blinds? I feel like I haven't dusted my blinds in a while, and I'm so happy that I was able to do that today, as well as wiping my daughter Angelina's little fingerprints off my jewelry stand, because she's always going through my jewelry. She's just the cutest. Guys, I finally got a cord vacuum. I always had the cordless stick ones, and wow, I haven't been able to use a regular vacuum like this in years, and I am so happy I got it. I got it for Christmas. It's a Hoover Windsurfer pet vacuum, and I'm still like testing it out, so I don't want to say whether I love it or not. But what I do like about it is how strong the power is compared to a vacuum stick, and I just feel like it's cleaning everything so much better. And it does take up a little more space, but I'm just so happy that I'm able to just use a regular style vacuum.
I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting caught.
And that's it, loves, my extreme bedroom clean of me. I hope you guys were able to get the motivation and inspiration to get up and cleaning, whether it was your bathroom, living room, whatever it is. I'm so happy I was able to get this done. My room really needed a refresh for the new year, and I had the best night's sleep because it was just, the air was just so clean and the sheets were so comfy, and I just felt like my head was so clear from being able to walk in and not see clutter. So I hope I gave you guys some motivation, because I definitely felt super motivated while I was doing this. If you guys like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you. I hope you guys are doing well, you're staying safe, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye, loves.
I know nothing would remain, and you don't wanna go. So go. Cause you're thinking your place, no time to waste. I wanna love you, but life doesn't wait. You can't stay here and waste away. You need to taste every mistake, fall out and get up again and again. Again and again and again and again. I'll be with you always. You don't need to be afraid. And I'll meet you up.